So I want all of you to open your chat box wherein I have pasted the links. So you can copy these links and save somewhere in your notepad. So first link is of syllabus link. You can check your syllabus over here. In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can complete your payment process and you can join this batch. We are always welcome to take up the feedback. For that, you just need to fill up this feedback form. Yes, you can know detail about this particular batch, or you need to click on this link, all batch attainment. In case you have any further queries, feel free to email us at support@olympiadsales.com or drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Okay. So now I would like to invite your mentor at the platform. Her name is Miss Janani. She is a wonderful mentor. Her classes are very engaging and interesting. And she is into teaching profession since so long. So with this, over to you, Janani.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Hello, good evening, everybody. How are you? Advait, Namya, Kritika, Maniska. Very good evening, everybody. I'm Janani and I'll be your math tutor for this. I'm very excited to see some young faces like you all. See, look at you. Yeah, I'm so happy to meet you all here. So within a few minutes, we'll be starting our demo. And in that demo, we'll learn a lots and lots of fun elements along with math. Okay. And can you all tell me if you like math first? Yeah, you can nod your head or you can type yes. Show a thumbs up, do something. Do you like or no? Yes or no? That's neither an yes nor a no. So what should I assume it? Okay, thank you, Namya. Okay, good. Okay, so in our demo session, I promise you to fall in love with math once again. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now we'll begin to have a presentation of the screen. So I want you to be very attentive because Ms. Megha can ask you a question at any point of time. So be ready for this thing.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. So, hi kids, I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. So, Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses that matter, having 8 courses, School Plus program, Maths, English, Science, Logical Reasoning, Communication, Spoken and Written, Vedic Maths and Coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12 and one-on-one preparation classes for various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are kids like you only. No need to worry. You just need to spare extra 2 hours from regular studies because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum. Yes, we are having live Olympiad sessions, group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significance of teaching experience. Having 3 sessions per week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. The session includes topic-wise revision and discussion on previous year paper. Student will get the reading material and practice question available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success platform. And student will also get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice a topic-wise mock test. So syllabus is available on this particular link and the fee of the course is 7,802. It is a 35-session course and payment can be made by using this link. This fee includes online class, daily reading notes and exercise, practice previous year paper, and access to Olympiad Success platform. What else required? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed and headphones for the better audio quality. So live classes will be starting from 10th of September 2025. In 2024, Olympiad Success has students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about PPT. I hope I'm clear. Show me thumbs up if I'm clear. Okay, all right. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
All right, so let me share my screen and we'll get into the dashboard now. So here you can see I've entered the URL olympiasuccess.com. Then I'll be going to log in with user ID. This is that ID with which you will register on this platform. Okay. I am logging in with one of our demo. So once you sign in, you'll get your profile details. Check it. In case you find any error, you can update it over there. Moving forward, you need to go in live classes. You need to select your subject and of course topic. So here you can see the schedule, holiday calendar, reading question papers and answer keys. So in schedule, you'll get the clarity in which session you'll be going to cover which particular topic. So you can see every topic is bifurcated in different sessions, that their subtopic should not be missed. So once one chapter is completed, you will be going to have a test discussion, means you will be going to get a mock test paper for that particular chapter, that you'll get to know whether you have understood this chapter properly or not. In case of doubt, you can ask from mentor in coming session. Okay. The last, there is super classes, and super classes will be going to cover previous year papers. There is a holiday calendar for your reference, that you should not miss any of the session, because already we do have festival holidays. Here you go with the reading materials. So there are 4 sets you can see. I'll be going to show you just one set as of now. You're going to get a content properly for your practice. So here you go with the practice question papers and answer keys. So I'll be going to open question paper first. So once you're done with the question paper, you can check your answer key. For that, click over here. Yeah. And you can check what all you have done correct, what all you have done. So moving forward, there are more practice worksheets for you. That is on the section of worksheet. Again, you need to select your subject. And of course, over here, you can see on take exam, read instructions, tick this box, start worksheet. Read question, fill your answers. Of course, you need to fill the correct one. Okay, I'm filling random. So once you're done, click on next button. So in this way, you may submit all your answers. Once you have done all the answers, you can click on finish button. Yes, I've reviewed all the questions. So the best part of this platform is the moment you have done the worksheet, you can check your performance. For that, click on performance button. And of course, select your subject. And here you go. Today is 1st September. So here you can see the date and click on view button. So I've attempted one question that is incorrect. Okay. So this is how you can review your question and answer and everything. Yes, that's pretty much about it. Now we are open for the Q&A round. If anybody is having any doubt, need clarity, feel free to ask your question. We'll be happy to answer your query. Am I audible clearly? Megha ma'am, am I audible clearly? Okay. So Kritika ma'am, you can just check your audio once. I guess maybe some network error or something like that. You will not be able to hear me. And for syllabus, you can check. Have you turn on your camera? Yes, Monishka. Any doubt? Or shall we begin with the demo? Namya, any doubt? Betty, you can unmute yourself and you can speak. Yeah, speak. Yeah. You are not audible. You can type them. Use the path of the chat box. Type. Sending the link. You can check the spelling. No doubt. Okay. So then over to you, Janani ma'am. They don't have any doubt. What are the class days and timings? Quickly type it in the chat box. No, for additional practice or for the previous. Madam, please paste it classes and timings in the chat box. I guess they have not seen the presentation carefully, girls. Okay, over to you, Janina.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, kids. So, excuse me. So we have Namya, Moniska, I think Advik and Kritika. Maybe they'll join us a little later because of the network. Okay, that's good. And are we all ready for the demo, Namya and Moniska? Can you unmute yourselves, both of you? And let me know if I'm clearly audible. Am I audible? Am I clear to you, Moniska? Am I clearly audible, Moniska and Namya? You both can keep yourselves on, like, on unmute. Okay. Namya, can you hear me? Namya? Okay, good. Moniska, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Moniska?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, so as I had promised, we are entering into our demo session, and I'm sure all of you are clear with that, right? Okay, so let's begin with we'll touch a few topics today, and I'm sure everybody is clear with. No problem, Namya, no problem. Okay, so I think everybody can know the addition, subtraction. Yeah, does everyone know that? Because you might have learned it in your second grade as well. Yeah, okay, so today we would like to learn a new topic. Okay, and it's called as time. Okay. Yeah. Kritika, please have your video on and let me know if you can hear me well. Okay. Okay, children. Now tell me, what is the time now? Can you tell me what is the time now? Kritika and Maniska, what is the time now? Maybe in the chat you can access. Okay. 5:25. Good one, Namya. Yeah, the time is 5:25. And you all know this is PM, right? So what is PM, children? Anybody knows the full form of that? It's called as post-meridian. Okay, it's called as the post-meridian. Okay, so if it is in the morning, we call the time as AM, which means anti-meridian. And this is post-meridian. Okay, so if it is in the morning, we call it as AM, and if it is in the evening, we call it as PM. So that is the difference between the morning time and the evening time. Okay, children, now tell me, how many hours do we have in a day? How many hours do we have in a day? 12, 16, 20, 24. 24 hours in a day. Very good, children. That's amazing. We all know that our day has got 24 hours. Very good. Children, now can we do, before we do a little bit of calculation, can you also tell me how much hours would be there in half a day? If one day has 24 hours, what will be the number of hours in half a day? Good, Namya. It's 12 hours. Half of 24 is 12. So we've got 12 hours in half a day. So that is why in our clock, we can see the number up to 12. So on our clock, we can see the number up to 12 just because of this reason. Okay, now tell me that because it is 12 hours, and how many hands do we have in a clock? How many hands do we have in a clock? one big hand, another small hand. Right? So totally we've got two hands, one big hand and one small hand. So the big hand represents the minutes and the small hand represents the hour. Okay? For example, I'll draw a thing here. Okay, can you see I have drawn two hands here, the small and the big hand, right? So first you should read the small hand. Where is the small hand pointing to? It's pointing to 1. Okay, and you can see the minute hand, which is the long hand, is also pointing to 1. But we're not supposed to say 1, 1. Rather, to read the minute hand, we will have to multiply the number by 5. What is 1 5s are? 5. So the time you're going to read is 1 5. Okay, first you write write the number which the small hand is pointing to, and then you will find out which the long hand is pointing to. That number you will multiply with 5, which will be your minutes. Okay, hour hand and minute hand. Okay, so the first small one will be your hours and the long one will be your minutes. So first you will be looking at the small hand and writing down the number, and then followed by the minute hand. For the minute hand, I repeat, you need to multiply it with 5 to get the actual time, so that you can read your time pretty well. Okay, now any doubts on this? How to read your time? No. Okay. Can you tell me the time of this in the chat? Maniska, Namya, or Kritika, what is the time that I have drawn on the board now? What time have I drawn on the board now? What time have I drawn on the board now? Who can tell me the time that I've drawn? No, 1 5 is what I have written for the first. This one, the one, okay, I'll redraw in pink color. You should tell me what this pink color means. What time is it? The pink color is representing what time on the board? What time is it showing us, children? Very good, Namya. Good job. Namya has given it. What about Muniska, Kritika? What is the time that's shown on the board for us? Okay. Okay, good. So what time is shown? First, you will read the hand that the small hand is pointing to, which is 3. Okay. And the minute hand is pointing to 2, which you need to multiply with 5. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. Right. So the time is 3:10. Okay, so this is how you will be reading your time as. Okay, children, any doubts on this? Any doubts on this? No, very good. Now, I'll draw one more time. Let's see if you can read that. What time is it, children? What time is it? Very good, Namya. Good job. See, first do, now I. Good, very good. See, now what happens is you look at the time, you look at the small hand. It is neither pointing to 6 nor to 7. It is somewhere in between 6 and 7. Right? Now the minute hand is actually, sorry, the hour hand is actually between the 6 and 7. Okay, so if it is between, you have to take the smaller number. The smaller number is 6. So you write your 6 here. Okay, and the bigger hand is pointing to 9, which you will multiply with 5. What is 9 5s are? 45. Right, so the time is 6:45. It could be AM or PM, which we cannot tell using a 12-hour clock. Okay, so the time given here is 6:45. Any doubts on this, children? Any doubts on this? Now everybody knows to read the time? Yes. So always remember, if the minute hand is between, sorry, if the hour hand is between two numbers, always settle to choose the smaller number. Okay, you will choose only the smaller number for reading the time of the hour hand. The hour hand is the smaller hand. Okay, children. Well done. Very good. Okay, now I have something to ask you. See, you all told me that we have 24 hours in a day, right? Yeah, you all told me that we've got 24 hours in a day, but we do have only 12 numbers on the clock, not 24, right? Right? We do have only 12 numbers on the clock, right? So how many times do you think the hour hand will rotate in a day? How many times do you think the hour hand will rotate in a day? Do you know that? Does anybody know that? Yes, Maniska. Does anybody know? Okay, children, now listen to me. Okay, so let's say it's midnight, 12 o'clock. So your hour hand will be here. Okay, then 1 o'clock it will be here, then 2 o'clock it will be here, 3 o'clock it will be here, 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And by the time it again touches the 12, it will be your afternoon, right? So from midnight to noon, there will be one full rotation of the hour clock. And again, from noon to the next midnight, there will be another rotation, right? So this you should know. Okay, understand that a minute hand, okay, every hour it moves five places. No, 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, one place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, right? So it finishes one full circle, one full rotation in 12 hours, right? So how many times do you think it will rotate in a day? The whole rotation will happen for how many times in a day? Yes, Maniska. Very good, Namya. Good. So it will complete its rotation for one time and then the second time. So by the time it finishes two circles, it is a completion of one day. Okay. Now, similarly, what about the hour hand? Sorry, the minute hand, the long hand, the long hand. Okay, the long hand will complete one rotation every 1 hour, right? So the long hand will complete one rotation every 1 hour, right? So how many hours we have in a day? How many hours? 24 hours. So the long hand rotates for 24 times in a day, while the small hand rotates only 2 times in a day. Okay, did you understand this? Yes, this long rotates for 24 times a day and the small hand rotates only 2 times in a day. Did you understand this? Have you understood the method of this? Yes? Did you understand why it is like this? Yeah? Will you remember this forever, children? Will you remember this forever? Yes. Okay. Good job. Very good. Okay. Now I have a riddle, not a riddle kind of thing, but I have a question to ask you all. Can I? Okay. Children, if today is going to be, let's say, Wednesday, if today is Wednesday, what do you think will be day after tomorrow? If today is Wednesday, what do you think will be day after tomorrow? See, rotation is one full circle, no? See, this is a clock. This is a clock. The hand will finish one full rotation, no? Rotation is full circle. Okay, one full circle around the clock is completed. That is rotation. Okay, got it, Moniska? Ah, good, Namya, good. If today is Wednesday, then day after tomorrow. That is, if today is Wednesday, then tomorrow will be Thursday, and then the day after tomorrow will be Friday. So what will be day after tomorrow? It would be Friday. Very good. You know this. That's good. Did you understand, Maniska? Good job. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. If yesterday was Sunday, if yesterday was Sunday, what is tomorrow? If yesterday was Sunday, what is tomorrow? If yesterday was Sunday, what do you think will be tomorrow? Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow would be what? Yesterday is Sunday. So only today will be Monday, Moniska. What will tomorrow be? Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. And tomorrow would be what? Tuesday. So what will tomorrow be?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Got it, all of you now? Good job, Namya. Very good. Okay. Now I'll give you a few clues and you will tell me the name of the, you will type the name of the month, okay? With its proper spelling. Okay? Okay? Ready? Okay. I am the month that scares you with ghosts. Who am I? In the name of Halloween. In the name of Halloween. I am the month that scares you with Halloween. What month am I? Who knows the answer? No, it has got 7 letters in it. That is the next clue. It has got 7 letters in it. What month am I? I am the month that scares you with ghosts. So can I give you the first letter? It's O. What month is it? What month is it, Maniska? The one that starts with O. Who's this? Sunita Bori? Very good. Superb. Good job, Maniska. Very good. Okay, next one. I am the month where many get fooled. What month am I? I am the month where many get fooled. Which month am I going to be?
It's P. It's P.
The five letter word. What month am I where everyone gets fooled? Very good, Moniska. Good job. Okay, now I am the month where I have, okay, where my 15th day is a holiday. This is a tough question.
And the month? What is it?
I am the month where my 15th day is a holiday. What month am I? Hi, Namya. I can hear you now.
August.
Good.
I am the month where
Good. Where my 15th day is a holiday. What month am I?
Okay, that is 15 Independence Day. Oh, great. That's not a great.
August. Very good. Good that you all know this. Okay, amazing children. Okay, so now that we have got a quick, a short understanding of calendar, a little bit of time, I would also like to give you a fun way to multiply. Can we learn that? All of you know to multiply a number. Two-digit number by two-digit, everybody knows?
yes,
Everybody knows how to. Okay, so if I give you 43 multiplied by 11, what will be the answer?
43 multiplied by 11.
3 multiplied by 11. Can you multiply and tell the answer in the chat, please?
I'm not having chat. Oh, you will share from the chat. There's no chat here.
Chat is there.
Where?
Okay, if you finish, you can tell me orally, Namya. What is your answer?
Not finished.
What does he
Okay.
Calculation.
Give me the glass.
I take later.
Very good.
Okay.
Very good, Monisha. Namya, what is your answer?
Ma'am, I'm multiplying still.
Okay.
473.
Monisha, 473. Okay. Now, can I teach you all a quick shortcut? A secret shortcut? Deal? Everybody in? Hmm? Okay. See, whenever you multiply a number by 11, okay, write the last digit as it is. Okay. And what is 4 plus 3?
Just here. Don't write anything. Just listen.
What is 4 plus 3? What is 4 plus 3? Quick.
7.
7. And write the first digit. So, isn't the same answer you got? 473. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. So, whenever you multiply a number by 11, this is a shortcut where you write the last digit as such. Okay. And then you add the 2 digits to right. Okay. And this was the first digit. So this becomes your answer. Will you try another one in the same method so that let's check if you've understood it? Yeah, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
32 multiplied by 11, 27 multiplied by 11. Quick.
Just now she told you the
Yeah,
trick, right?
2. First 2. Then
Okay, Maniska, good. Second one.
what did you
Namya, first one answer?
325.
No. You write the 2 at the last. 352. Very good. That's right. Good. Go for the second.
27. First I have 27. Then I do 8 plus 7. 97.
Very good, Muniska and Namya. Good. The answer is 297. Do you want to verify this with your usual multiplication? Do you want to cross check it? Or you're fine, you're happy?
I'm good.
Do you want to check or you don't want to check? Yes or no?
No. I
No.
think
Okay. Muniska, do you want to check? Now, okay. So the same way you can also do a 3-digit number with 11. Can you try this for me? I'll teach you one question. 423 times 11. Okay, first you will write the 3 here. Okay, and then you will add a 3 and 2. What is 3 plus 2?
5.
5. And then 4 plus 2? 6. And write the first digit as it is. So it's 4653. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you try this for me?
Which question? 3
Can
to
you try
7.
this last question for me?
Okay, 7.
7 minus 7. 7 minus
Mhm.
7.
9. And 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Even then, 3,597.
Very good. That's amazing. 7. Then 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then you have the 3. So that becomes 3,597. Very good job, Namia. Good. Muniska, did you get it? You got it, Betty? Sorry? And with the name Sunita, who's here with me? Okay, no problem. Okay. That's okay. Okay, children, fine. So that was an amazing time with you all. Thank you so much. And did you enjoy the sessions with me? Am I boring? How is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Okay. So do you remember when does our actual class begin?
Yes, ma'am. In 10 September.
When? 10 September, and when all do we have classes and at what time do we have?
At what time?
We have regular classes.
On which days?
Forget that.
You forgot that. Okay. So it is on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay. And the timing will be 8 o'clock.
Ma'am, can you say again?
Okay.
Can you
Monday,
say again?
Wednesday, and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Friday. And the timing would be 8 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. You can all have your dinner. Come relax. So no question of being hungry. We can very slowly and happily learn. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Kritika's mother this side.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I leave now?
Yeah, others can leave, children. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, stay back, else you can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was a good session,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I just have one query. Will you be covering the whole syllabus of
Yeah.
Olympiad for class 3?
Yeah. Yeah. With a few classes in the last where we discussed the past year papers, that would also happen.
Ma'am, can I leave now?
Yes, you can leave, Maniska. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Daily the timings will remain the same between 8 to 9 only?
Yes. 8 to
Okay. It's on
9:15 on
Monday?
Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Acha, no other days, only Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Ma'am, the person to whom I
Yeah.
contacted a few days or a couple of days before, I don't know, his name is Mr. Rishi, I suppose. He told me that if you want to go for this maths Olympiad, then you have to go for this logical reasoning class also. Ma'am, is it anything required for doing this maths Olympiad? We require that class also? Logical reasoning, or he said some other class about logical thinking or logical reasoning.
Well, it's actually not that way. Maybe if you take the logical class, there would be a few reasoning questions that may be asked in the question paper, which your son might feel comfortable to solve. But then it's not, I don't think it's a compulsion that you need to take both at the same time.
To do the maths Olympiad, it's not anything mandatory that we have to go for that. Then only we can attempt all these questions of maths. Because because right now for this maths curriculum, her course is not completed. Normally for Olympiad, the whole third syllabus will come, I suppose. Am I right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
for that, what he is saying that if you take that class also, it will be very helpful in solving all these questions quickly. So what do you think, ma'am?
Yeah,
Because
which is
because
like
short of time, because she
reasoning.
has to do her classwork, her homework also will be there, and apart from that, she'll be giving her exams also, unit test and this test, that test. Every now and then they keep on taking some test. So in between that, attending two classes will be a little quite hard for her. Other than this, she goes for some other classes also for singing, for music, and for other classes. So what do you suggest, ma'am? Is it required to go for that class also along with this
No,
maths?
no, I would say like, if you, yeah, if you feel that your child also needs to get into the quicker, like I have seen parents who tell my son or my daughter is good at math, but then the way they interpret the question, I need some improvement on those. The way they understand the question and how quickly they respond to the hints in the question, some indirect
Okay.
questions, and if the child wants to grasp it. So if you are into developing that side of it, then maybe
Okay.
you can take that as well. Else, if you really wanted to, and if you feel that no, my child is able to understand the questions, he's got a good interpretation skill, so I don't want to go
Okay.
for that, then it's up to you. So it's about how you think your child's skill set is.
This Olympiad is something new for me. Even I don't have any idea about all this, whether to go for that class or not. I'm in dilemma whether to go for that class or not, to be very frank. But anyhow, so within in 35 classes, you'll cover the whole syllabus of maths. Ma'am, I have bought some couple
Yes,
of
yes,
books from
yes,
this
definitely.
Olympiad. some books I have purchased, ma'am. So what will you follow? It's your own this thing curriculum, or you have some booklets based. You'll cover the topics.
Yeah.
The
Have
previous year's
the
questions.
curriculum. The curriculum No, the curriculum is same, but the questions would for sure differ. Maybe the kind of questions, the level, difficulty level of the question may be quite similar to what you have as a book and what I'm going to teach in the class. So what I suggest is like if your child is enrolled into the class, maybe he can learn the concepts with me, and every day, there'll be like 3-4 questions I'll give as homework. And also
Okay.
after every topic, there will be a test based on the topic that is covered. Let's say, for example, if it's fractions take for 3 to 4 classes. We do that, and then I give a test link where the child can attend the test and submit the answers in the Google form, probably with the help of a
Ma'am,
planner.
fraction is there for third.
And
Fraction is there for
yeah, I
third
would
class.
say that is enough. Huh?
Fraction is
Sorry?
there for the third class student, for the third standard kids. Fraction part is
It
there.
begins at the beginning level. It's at the beginning. Yeah,
It's
it's
the
at the
beginning
beginning
level.
level where they find which of these two are like fractions, what is a proper fraction, some basic.
Proper.
It begins at grade 3. Not very deep, like where they multiply, simplify, and all those. Just addition of like fractions kind of question,
Like
or
2
a
by 2,
little bit
4
of
by 2, 6 by
simplification,
3.
like 3/4 of 5.
3. Okay.
Like that, like that. So they,
Which we can
they need to
simplify.
identify like a whole number multiplied by a proper fraction. I think that is the maximum level they go. 3/4 of 12 is what? Like that.
Right now. So the classes starts from 10th of this September. And
September.
you'll be
Yes,
the
yes.
you'll be the mentor, ma'am. You'll be taking the class.
Yes, yes, I am the mentor. Yeah. I will be
Okay.
handling the sessions.
Okay. Great. So I'll discuss with my husband, and hopefully I'll be joining. My daughter will be joining this class. Uh, let's see how this works out.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
sure, sure. Okay.
Thank you.
Anita, ma'am.
Can we exit the class? Ma'am, it's over.
Yes, ma'am. You can. Yeah, if you have anything else to ask, you can ask, else you can leave. Thank you. Sunita, ma'am. No, ma'am. Try unmuting yourself. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Is the session going on or it's
Just done, and I'm just clearing the doubts of the
okay,
parents.
okay, fine. So this session will be for how many days?
It's 3 days per week.
Monday,
Monday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday, Friday at 8 o'clock from 8 to 9.
Okay, today it was 5 to 6.
Yeah, today it was 5 to 6, but the actual regular classes will be from 8 o'clock to 9:15 on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays only.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And same link we can join. The link shared by you. Okay.
No, you will be given a link before the class. Once you get enrolled, you'll get all those details along with your login credentials in the WhatsApp, using which, because it begins from September 10. So
Hmm.
yeah, that's how it works.
And is this a paid session or what?
This today's session is not a paid.
Okay.
For the entire course, you need to pay.
There'll be charges.
Hmm.
Okay. For these three classes are trial classes, you said.
Only this class is a trial.
Okay, today was the trial class. Okay, fine. Can I get the recording?
This was live on Facebook also. Check that. Yeah, this was live on Facebook. If you can get in touch with our helpline team, so they'll also share the link where you can view the session that had happened.
Fine. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, Miss Janani. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah,
Okay.
finally.
Yeah, I had just had to rejoin it. I have a couple of questions actually. So we live in EST time zone, not in India, but so I heard like you said about the timings and all, but I don't know if you provide like any EST time zone as well for the students.
So you are in UK, right?
We are in Canada actually.
Canada, sorry, EST. Okay. Okay, I think if you wanted a one-to-one session, then you can contact one of our team members so that an
Mhm.
individual one-to-one session can be arranged till the time possibly that you look forward. Maybe like
Mhm.
sometime in the morning before the child gets to school or something. Probably you can check that if that works.
Okay.
Else, if I'm not sure, I think it's in the early morning now, right? Like 7:30.
Yeah, it is 8:40 actually. So 8 o'clock they go to school. But yeah, weekends we do have, and I was very keen on the group sessions because that really encourage instead of like one to one. It's always good to have the children around and then have a group sessions. So I just wanted to understand a little more about the timings. That is one, and second is about the academics. So I don't know. I did not do much of research before the class. I just jumped on the Zoom. So you are following any particular curriculum or how it is it like a syllabus from India, or I'm very much okay with the Indian syllabus, but yeah, like is it anything ICSE or CBSE, or like what kind of, or it's a separate individual syllabus at all?
Okay, actually, if you take this Olympiad exam as a whole, it has got its own set of curriculum to be followed for each of the subjects
Mm-hmm.
mentioned. And if you look at the standard, I mean, the level of the
I see.
curriculum that we've developed and curated for it, it's going to be a little definitely higher than what you call your CBSE or ICSE of Indian syllabus could be. So
Mm-hmm.
possibly it's definitely a little higher. Maybe because it is in grade 2 and grade 3 where in India of CBSE syllabus that I know where we follow, we encourage the students to do a 2-digit multiplication by another 2-digit,
Mm-hmm.
or sometimes a 3-digit by 1-digit. So that's how
Yeah.
it begins in the year 2 and 3. But here in
Mm-hmm.
Olympiad, we focus more on word problems, as a result of which the child develops the interpretation skill, okay, the understanding of
Mm-hmm.
it. So it's more about the enhanced creative thinking
Mm-hmm.
specified to a particular subject that you're opting for.
Okay,
So if you
got
take
it.
math, which I'm a member of this,
Mhm.
I would say this is definitely a level upper than what they can learn in the schools, and
Yeah,
it'll
that's
help them to understand the word problem. We work more on the conceptuality of every topic.
okay. That's wonderful because, anyways, I believe nowadays children, all everybody needs a challenge, and this really works well. One more question about you said like you cover like grade 3 kind of, so is it only for maths or you do have like a couple of other subjects which we can combine, or we can just choose individual subjects?
I do for math currently, but then we
Okay.
do have some other topics like English, science, and reasoning.
Mm-hmm.
So you can check them out. Like there is a specified course designed for each of these subjects, and it
Okay.
is the interest of the students and the parents that they can opt for anything. So if you're
Okay.
taking multiple, then you can talk with any of our members and look at the possibility of, clubbing up things.
Okay, and I can get all this information anywhere in the website, or I just have to be in touch with any
Yeah,
of the
yeah, yeah.
associate?
Like you can, yeah, you can go to the help center of our www.olympiadsuccess.com. You can
Okay.
get into the website and you can get in touch with any of our members and they'll come and contact you.
Well,
I
sure.
think you
Thank you.
had contacted us all when you were joining, you had given your details, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Yeah,
Your
that's
phone
right.
number and yeah. So there will
Correct.
be a person who's coming in contact with you maybe 2 or 3 days maximum.
Yeah.
So maybe you can ask that person very.
Okay. And you have any upcoming, like any other demo sessions? Because my son was sleeping that time, so he just woke up. But any other like today or tomorrow sometime? Do you have any upcoming?
Uh, Actually, we do only one demo before this beginning of the course. Maybe if you can talk with that
Mm-hmm.
person and check if there is any other possibility of having a recorded session of these, you can definitely get that.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I believe I have all my answers. Thank you for all your patience and just answering all the questions. Thank you. Have a
Thank
wonderful
you.
rest of the day.
You too. Good day. Bye.